Learn to write. Printing.
Let's learn to print the capital and lowercase letters W and X. If you don't have handwriting paper at home, draw the top, middle, and lower lines like this. The letter W. Capital W, lowercase letter W. W, A, T, Ch. CH says ch. W, A, Ch. Watch. Watch. Just like the letter V, we'll trace from the top line down to the bottom line and back up again. And we'll just do it a second time. Top line to the bottom line and angle back up again. Easy. Uppercase W. Top to the bottom and angle back to the top, and then just do it again. Top to the bottom and angle back up to the top. Uppercase W. For lowercase, again, 2 V's, but only from the middle line to the bottom line and back up to the middle line. Start from the middle line, angle down, angle up, angle down, and angle back up again. Good job. The letter X. Uppercase X and lowercase x. X says its name, X, X. A. A-Y says A, like in day. Ray, X, ray, X-ray. For the uppercase X, we'll start from the top line and angle down to the bottom line and go back up to the top line over towards the right and angle back the other way. Just do a crisscross. Down to the bottom angled and cross to the bottom angled. Same for lowercase x, but again, from the middle line only. Just a nice crisscross shape. Middle line to bottom, middle line to bottom. Uppercase X, lowercase x. Great work, everybody. Let's do a fun fact. The letter W says the W sound by itself and almost always when paired with an H, just like whale, whistle, and wheat. Thanks for reading and writing with us today. See you again soon.
Thanks for watching.